Now they're resorting to what? Telling us that Trump supporters can't eat Mexican food?
If you voted for Trump, you are not allowed in Mexico. Don't have margaritas, don't have tequila, no tacos, no enchiladas, none of that for you.
What are you gonna do? You gonna come take it out of my ham? I'm gonna eat half this plate during the break. Maybe I'll call the ICE hotline. I don't know if I'll have enough time. All kidding aside, this is actually really good. These people broke the law. They broke the law to get here. And once they were here, they broke the law again. Which is serious crimes, folks. These are not like shoplifting. That's why they gotta go.